Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a kind of diagramming that goes way beyond flowcharts and network maps. We're talking about using diagrams to tackle one of the toughest challenges out there, ethical decision making, also known as values-based decisions. You see, making values-based decisions, especially in complex fields like healthcare, is never a one-size-fits-all scenario. Every single person is unique, and their cultural, religious, and personal values have to be respected. To guide these sensitive choices, you need structure. You need a documented, repeatable process that brings clarity, and that's where the value-based decisions framework comes in. This framework was developed by Dr. Bashir Jawani, and it's a step-by-step process used by a number of organizations because of its focus on collaboration and shared values. It asks teams to align on the key question, then surface and weigh out the values that are important to everyone involved, and then those turn into brainstorming options. Finally, you analyze those options against your agreed upon values to plan a course of action. Now, what if I told you that you could use draw.io to visualize these critical processes? We've developed a custom draw.io template that takes Dr. Jawani's entire process and puts it into a collaborative visual guide. And by embedding this template into a tool like Confluence, your team can leverage real-time collaboration. So imagine inviting your entire team, online or in person, to work on this diagram together. You can fill in each step of the framework, discuss answers, and quickly add any questions or comments in the diagram. This visual blueprint ensures everyone is on the same page, which results in better outcomes and clearer documentation. Once you've completed this process, you can easily export your final diagram to a PDF for your own records, keeping all of those sensitive decisions documented and secure. So if you or your team ever face challenging ethical questions, use the power of diagramming to bring structure and clarity. We've included a link to our blog post which contains the ethical decision-making diagram template that you can download and use to instantly start diagramming. If this video helped you think differently about diagramming, or if you just like hearing my voice, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more Draw.io insights. And until next time, happy diagramming.